This is the News on 20 with Clarence Ponsler.
Alrighty, well, we're gonna do a automatic fireworks show in the daytime to see how much smoke it produces. Looking pretty good. We got a few cans, 5 cans to be exact. 21 rockets, 10 sparklers, and a lot of smoke. So enjoy. It's on. Alright. Oh, wow. Whoa! Everything's going wrong. We're gonna get injured. We really need to stand back. Oh my gosh, sparklers are up already. Really stand back, it's gonna get interesting. It's not over yet. What a woo! This is really unsafe. I'm just lucky not to be hurt. Oh wow, what a flame. I can't believe it only took one poof to put everything in flames. My gosh. Take one poof to burn everything. Look at this. This is unbelievable. You see a can going to dust. It's been going strong for the last few minutes here. And those sparklers are, quote, melted. This is how you make a cauldron. Made of only 5 pop cans, well now 4, one of them's tipped over from the fireworks. All those rockets went up like that. Let's hope this doesn't turn into shrapnel and just melts away. Still smell and feel the flame, smoke, fireworks have gone off. Now the fire is being confined to inside the can, and I think it might work for future shows. Don't want to get injured. And it's out.